Alright, so in the event you forgot how to add a stream target, I'm going to show you how to do it today. So you're going to go to your stream target there, and we're going to say create a new stream. Once we create a new stream, you put, you name it wherever you want, and you're going to put either it's Facebook, YouTube, or your custom RTMP. The custom RTMP server allows you to stream to anywhere, okay? Any stream that's coming to your TV allows you to stream to anywhere. Alright, so once you select that, you're going to say save stream. I already did one for the station, and of course we say the stream title is Salt Network, the location is the Facebook, and right now it's telling me the status is offline. So I want to configure it. So as I configure it, I'm going to do the entire publish point. Once I do the entire publish point there, I'm able to do a Facebook title. This is just words only, okay? So I'm just going to name it Salt TV Live. Thank you. And then on the description, you can put thank you for, you can give it a description. Thank you for watching Salt TV Live. Add us to your Roku lineup using channel code SALT TTTV. Okay, so your description is obviously a description because all this is broke up in lines and codes and everything. So you're going to go right here where it says log in, and it's going to log you in. And once it does that, it's going to ask you where you want it to publish to, and we want to go to the page. Okay, so there you go. We're going to say save the stream. Once we have saved the stream, I'm going to do a test, and I know they have watchers, so this is going to be fun. Once you do that, obviously it just went online, letting us know that Salt is online. So if we go over here to Facebook to see it, we'll just let it play for a little bit, and then I'm going to turn it off, obviously. I'm going to go to Facebook real quick. Once I go to Facebook, my internet is moving slow this morning. Don't we love it? Okay, we're gonna go over here into Salt Radio. Oh, this says something is wrong with my Facebook. Good times. Let me go on my app. No, it's live. Okay, so as you see right here, it's live. And the description is there accordingly, using channel code SALT TV, this, that, and the third. It has that going on right now, right? So we know that this is working. So in order to stop this, I'm just going to disable this. Once I disable, it's going to disconnect the stream from the Facebook. Okay, so when I want to do that, I can just go in there, turn it on accordingly, and as you see, this is going. So because I know that is working and everything is, I've seen it on the TV as well, that's how you do your stream target.